Hello, Facebook world. Hello, YouTube. It's good to. I want to chat with you for a second about what your financial planner doesn't know about real estate investing and what your financial planner doesn't know about you. Okay, so I talked to a lady earlier today, and she filled out the application to book a call, get into FTDF Plus, and I talked to her and realized a couple things. She's a lot like me. Yay! She's working on her family business. Her dad has a rental portfolio, and she wants to set up some of her own money and have some of her own fun and maybe start her own businesses. I relate to all of those things. All of those things, okay? I came from a family-owned business. My family had rental properties, and I was ready to do something on my own. That's the beginning of my story, and it went off from there. I also had a financial planner, and when I was talking to this lady, and I was talking to her right here out by the pool, we were talking on the phone, I said, you know, what's going to stop you from doing these real estate deals? And she said, well, you know, they say I need a year's worth of expenses in my bank account before I can start a rental portfolio. And I said, who is they? Well, my financial planner, my family's financial planner told me that. And I said, oh, no, girl. Listen, I was flat out broke. I spent my entire life savings. I had nothing. All right, I had to up the limit on my credit card to even get started. I had nothing, definitely not a year's worth of expenses. And I was able to do a deal with $10 and then make $15,000 in 8 weeks. And I asked her, this lady said that she needed about $15,000 as a cushion, and then she's going to need another $15,000 for life. So she needs $30,000 to $35,000 in her bank account every single month to have what her financial planner wants her to have before she gets into real estate investing. I said, how long is it going to take you to save $30,000 to $35,000? Because if you don't have it right now, do you have, let's say you're 40. If you don't have that now, do you have another 40 years of your life to collect that money, to be safe according to your financial planner? Probably not, all right? And that's why you got to get started in real estate investing now. You don't have to have $30,000 or $40,000 or $100,000 in your bank account now to get started. What I would actually want you to do is to flip it. I want you to get started now. Put it on a credit card. Pay with PayPal credit. Get in First Still Done Fast right now. I'll show you how I took $10 and turned it into $15,000 in 8 weeks. All right, what would your life look like if you had $15,000? If you were halfway to your goal in 8 weeks, what would your life look like? You just keep going and going and going, right? You do another deal, you'd make $20,000. You do another deal, you'd make $10,000. You do 3 or 4 deals. By the end of the year, by the time you were ready to buy Christmas presents, you'd have all the money that your financial planner thinks is going to take you another 40 years to get. So what are you waiting on? All right, literally, now is the time to get started. This world is absolutely bat crap crazy. And it's only getting worse. And your money is only getting worse. You've got to get started now. You've got to take control of it now. You've got to get moving now while you still have the energy to do it, while you still got the body that you can get out and do these things, while you still got your mind, while you're still excited about it. You cannot wait until you're 80 years old. You cannot wait another 40 years to get started. You cannot wait another day to get started. Y'all, people are out here that need you to do these deals right now. And your competition is getting these deals because you're sitting around twiddling your thumbs. You're sitting around talking about, oh, I don't know what to say. You're sitting around because some dude in some ivory tower wearing a suit that makes less money than you do and doesn't even own a real estate portfolio. You're taking advice from this guy? Are you freaking kidding me, girls? Are you freaking kidding me? I'm so tore up about this because so many women are getting financial advice from financial planners that don't have what you want. She told me she wanted a real estate portfolio. I said, does your financial planner have a portfolio? She said, no, probably not. Then why are you taking advice from got an answer for that? Because that's when she was like, you're right. I shouldn't take advice from somebody that's not even living what I want to live. I cannot teach you how to buy stocks and be financially free. I don't know how to do that. All right. My financial planner thinks he knows how to do that, but I make more money in my real estate than I do in my stocks. In fact, I think my financial planner might be making more on my stocks than I am every year. Don't listen to people who aren't doing what you want to do. I also am not qualified to teach you how to flip 100 houses a month. Frankly, I don't want to flip 100 houses a month, and I don't think you want to flip 100 houses a month, or you'd go find somebody that can teach you how to do it. I want to help you just do one deal a month for the next 2 years. I want to help you do your first 24 deals, because I know that if you do 24 deals, you'll be making $5,000 a month. You'll be making $20,000 a month. You'll have passive income. You'll know how to do wholesale deals. You'll know how to do owner finance deals. You'll know how to do lease option deals. I know that I can help you do your first 24 deals in the next 2 years, so you could retire, so you could get a divorce if that's what you want, so you can send your kids to private school if that's what you want. I am completely qualified to help you do that, especially like a lady. I'm here to help you get good and fired up and get out there and stop taking no as an excuse. I'm here to help you get good and fired up so you're not taking bad advice from people that you don't even like, from people that don't even do what you want to do. I'm here to help you get out there and quit making excuses so you can start making money and living your best life. Everybody's all complaining, 2020 is this, 2020 is that, 2020. You know what? 2020 is amazing because we're all still here. We're all still doing our thing. There's sellers out there flipping out, trying to get rid of properties, and you're sitting around just waiting on somebody to give you permission to go live your best life, permission to go be a real adult woman and take control of your finances. Y'all go do it now. And I'm tired of it. I'm sick and tired of it. I'm so over listening to y'all whine and complain all day long about, I don't know how to get started. I don't have anybody to help me. I don't have any, whatever. Y'all, I've had First Deal Done Fast for like 4 years, 3 years. We've officially had First Deal Done Fast. It used to be called something else. So it's been out there for 4 years, but officially First Deal Done Fast since August of 2017. That's 3 years that I have been helping women get their First Deal Done Fast. That's 3 years that we've been charging pretty much the same thing and giving such gold information. And y'all are just sitting on it. And I'm tired of it. I am sick and tired of seeing all these women just sit around and whine and complain and not get out there and do anything. And I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I am so over watching y'all just complain. Some days I wake up and I'm mad. I'm just going to go out and do my own deals, and y'all can just figure it out yourselves. Some days I think, no, we got to help more women. We got to show them that they can do this. We got to really dig in and, be the example that they say that they're looking for. And then other days I think, you know what? If this program is worth $20,000, let's just charge $20,000. I was at an event with all the big male gurus a couple weeks ago. They're charging 20 grand for their stuff. It ain't different. It ain't better. It ain't faster. And it's not tailored towards women any more than First Deal Done Fast. So maybe we'll just charge 20 grand for it. Or maybe we'll just shut it down. I had to go through the guy's stuff and translate it, learn how to do things like a woman. Y'all go figure it out. If you think their stuff's better, then go do it. I'm so over waiting on y'all to sit around and decide that it's okay to be broke, busted, and disgusted. I don't want to hang out with people like that anymore. I don't want to surround myself with people like that. I want to be with go-getters. I want to be with women who know that there's more out there and they're gonna go get it. They're not waiting on somebody's permission. They're not waiting on, the weather to be right. They're not waiting on an inheritance check. They're not waiting on their financial planner to say, okay, you now have $35,102 and you can be a real estate investor. It doesn't take that. It does not take that. It takes action. It takes a system. It takes a plan. It takes everything that I have in First Deal Done Fast, including a Facebook group for people who need some questions answered, including the video vault of me answering those questions for the last 3 years. It includes me on the phone talking to sellers so that you can't be in my office all day, every day, but I've got recorded calls so that you can hear what I say to sellers, all right? It does come with the contracts that I actually use in my business, not just some crap that I pulled off Google and slapped together. This is my actual business, and I am honestly, frankly, about this close to being tired of giving all of my stuff away for so dang cheap. I spent over $100,000 getting this together for y'all, and you want to act like, oh, it's okay, I'll just go pay this other guru $50,000 and not get any attention. I'm so tired of it. I'm so over it. I'm shutting this crap down. FTDF, I'm going to do a webinar tomorrow to pitch First Deal Done Fast, and you can get in or you can get off. I don't care anymore. All right? You can get in. You can get in at special rate tomorrow, and then I think I'll take the next couple months and we'll just slice it and dice it to where I'm getting $10,000 or $15,000 for the same stuff that you can get right now for $19.97. I mean, why do I have to give it away for free? Why do I have to give it away so cheap? Why do I have to be the cheap coach? I don't. All right? I don't. We've already closed enrollment for FTDF Plus. If you were thinking about getting into group coaching, it's too late. All right? You missed your opportunity. The women that are with me are with me. All right? I'm going to take those girls as far as they want to go down this road to financial freedom. But if you didn't already get in, then hate it for you. Do the best you can. You can get a ticket to She Buys It Live if you want to hang out with me. Somebody sent me a message the other day. Hey, can I take you to coffee? No, I'm running 9 companies. I don't have time to take you to coffee or to spill my guts, whatever you want to know, for 3 hours over a $3 cup of coffee. No. All right? Get in First Deal Done Fast, get a ticket to She Buys It Live, or don't. It's fine either way to me. I know how to buy houses with $10. I know how to get a portfolio going. I know how to furnish a property and make $4,000 where I used to make $1,000 a month. Do you? Do you know how to do that? Or do you just sit around and talk about it? You sit around and complain about it. You put it up on your vision board. You talk about you're going to do this, that, and the other, and then you don't. All right? Get it together, girls. You're grown women out here. You don't need a financial planner's permission. You don't need your daddy's permission. You don't need your husband's signature. You can actually get started. You can take control. I did. If I can do it, you can too. And if you want it for free, then I got a channel on YouTube. Go get it. Have at it. Knock yourself out. All right? But otherwise, I'm going to shut First Deal Done Fast down on Friday. We may shut it down on Wednesday. My anniversary's on Thursday. We may just shut it down before then, and I won't even have to worry about it. I know how to buy houses. My friends know how to buy houses. If you're looking for somebody that's going to help you, then you need to get in while the getting's good. Otherwise, if and when this comes back around, it won't be the same as it is right now. Okay? Your financial planner probably doesn't know anything about real estate investing, and he sure as shit don't know anything about lease options and buying houses with $10. He don't know anything about owner financing, and he don't know anything about wholesaling. I do. Go to firstdealdonefast.com, get signed up right flippin' now, or don't. It's up to you. firstdealdonefast.com. I'm doing a webinar tomorrow. I'll explain it all to you. We'll do the whole dog and pony show. But after that, you can catch me at She Buys It Live at the end of the month. It's virtual. Okay? Okay. Great chat. How about you set a goal for yourself that includes getting into real estate now, so that next year when you see your financial planner, he goes, oh my gosh, how did you get all this extra money? You can say, I'm a real estate investor, and now I got the money that says that so that you can give me permission to get started. even though you won't need him next year. Okay? Y'all have a fantastic day.